Step 1. Choose your field. View the world of 3D experience in 3D with 3D Play. You can view the inside of the house with the section command in the Tools menu. You can view the interior of the house from different angles by changing the section plane. Mark the place where you want the designed item to be placed. You need to send this media file to Rıdvan Polat for approval. The incoming picture is examined by Rıdvan Polat, and if the marked place has not been marked before, approval is given. Step 2. Show how you design. In this step, we will talk about the steps you need to pay attention to when recording your screen. Give a meaningful name to the item you are going to design. Choose a suitable plane to position the item. Enter values approximating the dimensions of a real center table. Make sure that the pop-ups do not overlap the model. Instead of rotating, you can use view selections to work on your model from different angles. During your design, make sure that the model is centered, fits within the drawing area, and the dimensions are visible. You can color your model or assign material. Center your model and stop your screen recording. Export your model in 3D XML format to submit. Step 3. Send files. Send your screen recording, 3D XML file of your design, and your profile photo to the specified email address. Make sure to add the text highlighted in the video to your email. You can send your email. Thank you for your collaboration.